zoom it out a bit, Mum. You're a bit close, like you can't see everything.
Well, it should go
Like,
into
get the whole
focus.
image of like
It
that.
should go into focus, but it's not.
Are you getting a good shot of it?
It's kind of blurry.
I need a good one like
I
that.
don't think my camera's as good as yours.
Like I was saying, even while I was taking photos with my iPhone, I'm like, you can't get that. Like you need a proper camera, like, and have it like that steady.
Actually, we have a second tripod here. Put your camera on this.
Oh no, that's okay. Yeah.
So
Oh,
just keep steady.
I'm just taking video. No, that's all right. Thank you.
Yeah, no.
Bang it, just keeps it nice and steady.
Oh, look,
I wouldn't even know how to put it on there. It's so blurry now.
Actually, there's an ember on the spire itself now.
Yeah.
Is there two little fires on it now?
There's one down the bottom.
You can usually mount those things. There's usually a
yeah. They're like
screw.
a standard size.
Yeah. Oh. There you go.
Thanks.
That'll make it much more
yeah.
steady. Oh yeah. Go now.
So it's better.
Yeah. That's what it's for.
I've got one at home somewhere too. Oh.
I guess like measurables, but so yeah, no,
Okay, I'm coming.